Welcome to Taiwan Shangyang Precision Industrial Company, Limited. We are a professional CNC machining factory specializing in metal parts processing. We offer machining services for various metal materials such as copper, aluminum alloy, and stainless steel, including CNC milling, CNC 4-axis machining, mechanical machining, and precision component integration. Our work philosophy is to pour in vitality and enthusiasm, understand customer needs, and go all out to provide high-quality products based on the spirit of gratitude, positivity, and sustainable management. Our core objective is to prioritize customer satisfaction, continuously improve product quality, innovate and optimize process technology, nurture top-notch technical talent, and create win-win value for our customers. We have a dedicated team capable of providing various machining technologies such as stainless steel CNC machining and milling. With a meticulous attitude, we closely monitor production quality, implement customer dimension specifications to ensure that every product meets the customer's requirements. We also emphasize innovation breakthroughs, basing improvements and process optimization on data to enhance production efficiency and product quality. At the same time, we are committed to nurturing successors by establishing an in-house educational training framework, enabling our technical personnel to continually enhance their own value and provide better services to our customers. Our factory is located in Shulin District, New Taipei City, providing CNC machining services for Taipei and New Taipei City. We welcome inquiries via phone or visits. If you are looking for a reliable CNC machining factory, please contact us, and we will wholeheartedly provide you with the best solutions. Thank you for your attention, and we look forward to cooperating with you.